Alright, so I don't know, I am here. I am here in Yoyogi Park where we have the African Heritage Festival on the main side and then we have the Jamaica Jama Fest on the other side. So this is an annual event that happens put on not by Jamaicans but yeah, I'm sitting down so yeah, I'm outside. Oh, it's so bright. Alright, so I'm trying this thing for the first time, this view, director's view. Let's see what's happening today. Use up my phone facilities, isn't it? So this is the Jamaica Fest right now. Just chilling. Na, 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 na. Hold on. Respect.
For sure, man. Yeah, you made it.
What's up? The only place to be, you know, my spot. Ooh, you know, Shika. You know, Shika, Shimos, oi. Bettini, let's get up.
Regular match of
Man, respect, you know. What kind of party do you have? Respect, what kind of party do you have today?
What kind of patties? We have beef and chicken for today. And tomorrow we're gonna have veggies. So come on, all of the vegan, all the pescatarian. We got what you want, but tomorrow. Okay?
Ah, so beef and chicken today only. All right. Respect. Oh, hello. Hi. How are you? Oh, go on. You good?
Pickles.
You just reached? Or you late?
Yeah, me look for one girl, me don't know what she did.
New Jamaican place. Follow her up on whatever she did upon. I don't know what she did upon. Hi, hello. What's up, you good? Respect. So they are out in the streets.
Happy New Year.
Hi. Once a year greeting.
Happy New Year.
You good? Good day.
They're hungry. Hello.
Hi, hello. Oh, you're going to okay, have a glass, you know. First rule in Japan is if you don't see black people or Jamaican people in Japan cook their chicken.
I'm Edmund North. There's a lot of people then.
Oh, sorry, but I can blur it out in a video. Anyway, I'm not partial. I'm taste a piece right, so thanks. Get a drop off already, it tastes good.
It was so. You can pass.
I mean,
Like here with the dash into it.
no, it's been for Japanese mouth, that one, yeah. Very mild.
Very bad. Here's good everything.
So wait, watch out, boy, yeah. Watch out, boy, yeah. You not go home yet, you know. Sit in there, what going on? You good?
Yeah.
They are going to try a new look. You never see him?
No, just see right now.
Let's see for the new Jamaican, a new Jamaican girl there, you know? But then, what's your name? Uchi.
I remember about 2 years ago, October next 2 years, I messaged him. I was in Jamaica. I'm telling him, hey yo, you come and Japan, you know?
And she has never messaged me since.
You're not invited her?
When I check what she said, we are one part and then she moved, we are one part. No, look, she was, we are one part.
You're not really hard, man.
No, I don't run known people, you know, that's my thing. So I'm a message people. You know what is hilarious? My DMs are always open if you want to ask questions. I say, yo, I don't like how people always think I'm older too, but I come off like say me creepy or whatever. Yeah, someone don't really try. We say, hey, you good? I'm like ask her, say, yo, when she achieve, you good? I'm positive on where you were. Anyway, so we're just here. Where there's one or more Jamaican gathered, you know, say those vibes, that's me I say. So these are the stands, different jerk chicken stands here. And Butch has jerk, I don't know from a tin of paint. What is Tokyo, Shibuya, this is Goodwood. This is the one that Kanye West had gone to and got a lot of traction from it. Yeah. Wow. Me no see no y'all. I don't see one Jamaican over there, so I'm not buying from there. Nah, do it. Can't trick me. If there is not even half Japanese Jamaican, me not go over there. So sorry. Everybody can jerk chicken, but everybody can jerk chicken, you know them way there. Watch out, jerk chicken again. Who them people there?
Alright, but brother,
Yard food. Oh, I know them people there. I think I know her. I know them. Them have a little. This would I go here, sir. Is this anybody? Are you saying anybody? What? She not? Oh, she take a picture.
Selfie.
Oh, are you saying anybody from? I don't know, sir.
No. Not
So you could have Jamaica around them, man. You have to spot them, man. Did you see her cut out the chicken there? Like a dog, like a mixed dog or... Oh, sorry, I forget. My asthmatic, so... You know, watch Friday and Thursday. Watch Friday and Saturday. Watch Friday and Wednesday. Watch Friday and Monday. You know what this is, but yeah, pick up. It must be a content creator. Yeah, we don't know what going on this, but you see a lot of. Yeah, people, you know. Support the Jamaican them. What am I doing? You don't walk too fast. You start walking too fast, I'm ready. I'm girl there. Full.
Exactly, that's why I'm saying I'm
Not me.
why not you?
Bad kitten.
Bad kitty.
That girl. Is this a radio station?
we are trying to reach you. Ever realize? Over a long time, we are fighting for your solution.
Yeah.
But I'm not done with it. I know just how we are screaming and cheering for the team.
Yeah, this is just a walkthrough so you guys can get a little look at the place, you know? Yeah.
Got me attracted with the shape of your frame. Let me introduce you to my group on my plan. No, don't get it twisted. Just be lame. Wanna sing my lyrics and give me your fame. You got this from here. Baby, let me know you got
I'm getting you. Give me a try. Hello. Maybe. Maybe, yeah. No. I don't remember. What's the name?
Alcidine.
One of those drunken nights of greatness. How are you? So you good?
I'm good.
It's hot.
Yeah.
We're just heading to the ATM, so thanks. All right, cool. How about okay, cool, thanks, no problem. So the girl who want the ATM, where's she there? Oh, she want the ATM again. She good. I want me to do but turn back, you know. I'm in her. Just one of those days. And not a pity. Scoop, 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 scoop. Hey, it's a pity. Your mother never have a picnic. How about the backside is? It's not about some people don't understand culture, so that you have to play that part there. L-O-V-E.
I love you. I'm missing you like crazy. Missing you again. Baby, I love you. I love you. Baby, I love you.
Early times, is it? So make sure you guys come through and check it out, you know what I mean?
Cause when a man love a woman and a woman love a man, a judge a blessing. When I love you and you love me, I got a blessing. When a boy love a girl and a girl love a boy, a judge a blessing.
Yeah, so that's basically the vibe. It's still early in the afternoon, so later on it's gonna be a greater vibe. So yeah, I'm done and I'm out. Bye. This is the line. This is the line, man. Crazy. Man, Jamaica, rum. Big up. Respect. Look at Jamaica jersey, they was outside. Woo. Jamaica. Jamaica is just is that girl. Jamaica is that girl. What I know about this? Jamaica is just that girl. Isn't it? That country, everybody wants to be Jamaica. Everyone's gotta get away the line. There's no special.
The rhythm, the color, the good vibes, the aroma, and the energy of Jamaica right here in Japan in Yoyogi Park.
今日はこうやって皆さんと一緒にね、もうジャマイカのねバイブスを香りだったり音だったり、もういろんなこう五感で感じるものをまあ一緒に体感できることは最高ですということです皆さん。
Can you feel the vibes? All right. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the Jamaica Festival, Reggae and Cuisine Festival here in Japan.
ね、今年はジャマイカンフェスティバル10周年でございます皆さん。
And what a journey it has been. 10 years of connection, 10 years of culture, and 10 years of one love between Jamaica and Japan.
そうです。
So I want you to come there and experience the one love, the energy, the vibrancy of Jamaica. But until then, today in Yoyogi Park, we are going to enjoy the Jamaica Festival, Reggae and Cuisine. Good food, good vibes, good music, right?
For the vlog, all the festival go on. Where go on?
It wasn't too bad, guys. I had the Pakistan patties.
Yes.
You like Yogi? Nice.
10 out of 10. Good.
Yeah.
Patty pan, 10 out of 10.
What Anna K, talk to me about the food today. For the vlog. No, what? How the party pan, how the food, how the vibe?
Good, and the vibe was good. The cocoa bread too. Yeah, man. Chan is the place to go for party and cocoa bread and all that.
In Japan,